Welcome to Papa Junk Shop. We're going to see if we can get that muffler finished up that we cast in the last one. First we're going to get the end faced off. Should have sped it up a little bit for this, but I figured we're going to need it slow to drill that hole through there, so I just leave it there. We'll just take smaller Okay, we'll get a center hole in there. And we'll start out with a pilot hole. I think that's a 3/8. A little squirt of WD-40. All the way through. two more sizes. Let's see, I've got a 1/2 inch one I'm going to do, and then the final size will be 37/64. Okay, here we go with a 37/64. Okay, now we need to tap a 1/2 inch hole. You see there's quite a bit of material left. That's in case I want to make it for a 3/4. So we'll have plenty material left. Yeah, what am I thinking here? Get the center in here so we get her lined up good. Well, that, according to my chart, that was the size it was supposed to be for a 1/2 inch pipe, but boy, that sure doesn't look big enough to me. I don't believe that's going to work. I'll get back to you. Okay, I went back over and checked the chart. Sure enough, I fat fingered the chart. That was the size for 3/8. I got the right one in there now, 45/64. Yeah, that's a little better. I'm not going to use any power to do this tapping. Every time I try to do that, something goes wrong and then I have to start all over again. So I'll lock it in the back here so it doesn't try to turn. And we'll do it the old time way. Alright, I'll pull that out of there and get a little nipple and screw in there and make sure we're in far enough and get on to the next move. Okay, now I got it turned around. I changed the jaws in the chuck, got it turned around. I put a hose clamp around the aluminum part there, hoping that it won't make marks from the jaws. And all I'm going to do now is tap from the inside that way, and that is so if I want to put a nipple in there with holes in it for a baffle to make one of the longer mufflers, that's what that'll be for, so we can screw that in there. So I'll get that done and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so we got both sides tapped. One for the inlet, one will be for a nipple will go in here with the holes in it. And I also made a baffle. Got it laid out where I need to drill, and that'll go there, and this will go here. And I'm gonna put a hose clamp around them to hold it all in place while I drill the 6 holes that are going to hold it together. And the other way this muffler is going to work is I cut one of these, and then this nipple will be made the right size to fit in there. If I want it real quiet, I'll put some of this in there, and then this will go back on there like so. So next thing, I'm going to put this all together with a hose clamp around it, and I'll drill all 6 holes with the size that I'm going to tap in this back plate, which will be 832, and then I'll take this back off, and I'll have these 2 here, and then I'll drill the proper size for the 832 screw to fit through. And I don't think you guys want to watch me do that. That's pretty boring, so I'll get back to you when I get that done. Okay, when I went to drill this, it was pretty unstable because they're off to the side here, so I'm trying to figure out a way to get her stabilized a little bit. So I went over and found an old piece of 1/2-inch pipe and stuck it on there like that. Drop that down in the drill press vise. Crank her up good. Now she's good and solid, so let me show you that. And this is those holes that I punch marked on the mold when we made it. I highlighted each one of them with a magic marker, so make it a little easier. So as long as I'm showing you that, I might as well show you drilling the hole. Number 29 is the tap size for 832. Go through the front, through the baffle, and out through the back. The clamp seems to be holding it. Good shape. Probably what I might do is I'll just find another 29 drill and stick down in that hole just to make sure nothing shifts while I do the other 5 holes. So I'll get back to you when I get those done. Okay, got all the holes drilled, got those tapped. That's the baffle. Those are the holes for the exhaust. That'll go there. This is the front plate. Got the holes drilled for the exhaust to come out. That'll go right there. Okay, should be all together. Got the baffle sandwiched in between. I think we're all ready for a test run. I'll have to get one of the engines clamped down on the bench and we'll put her on there and see what she sounds like. Okay, got the engine clamped down on the bench and got my temporary gas tank hooked up to it because I don't have any of these little hose barbs that go in here except some that are great big long things, so I gotta find a source for those. Get her fired up here and see. That's with no muffler. Pipe. Of course I got too long and too short a nipples too, so just a little bit long. What it sounds like with a tin baffle. Next I'll make one with the other one with the stainless steel scrubbing pad in it for sound dampening. So I'll let you hear what that one sounds like next. Okay, I got my baffle made. It's just a piece of 1/2-inch pipe. Made a little plug and tack welded it in there and just randomly drilled holes in it. That's going to screw on in this spot where we put the threads on the inside. Like so. And then this little one there and that little groove. And then this is stainless steel scrubby pad. I get them at the flea market. I think they're like 5 of them for $1. And hopefully that's going to act as a sound dampener. We're just going to put that down in there. Or you could leave this out. Probably wouldn't be quite as quiet. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know what kind of results we're going to get. So now it's just a matter of putting this cap on. Sure this piece is in the groove. Just let them down. Well. Okay, that's what she looks like. Let's put that one on. And let's see if the old engine will cooperate again. A little quieter. I thought it might be a little quieter than that. Have to do some experimenting with the size and number of holes. So that's it for the muffler project. Hopefully you guys got some ideas. Maybe you can make some of your own. Can configure them different. If you like my video, my idea, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. Thanks for watching.